Generally, at the end of the paragraph, that you use the information from somebody. Um, you just, if it's a single author, you just put their name and the year of publication. So this is a properly formatted site. If it's two authors, you would put it at list both last names, Fan and so again, you'd list both names. If it's more than two, you're supposed to put them all the first time. So I'm going to put Fan, Light, and make up another one, Load. Again, 2005. And then every other one, you're supposed, oops, it helps if I could type, huh? Again, so for one, you just put the one author. For two, you use the ampersand sign, the and sign. For more than two, you type them all out. And then, but for undergrad work in general, if you just put the lead author and the year of publication, your professor's going to be thrilled. If you get on to graduate work, then you have to worry about, is it two authors, three authors? There's also the APA sheet that I put in there gives you all different types of sources. So that would come into play also. But again, make sure to cite your work. This does two things. Every professor would go down below and make sure that you had this in your references, and it protects you from plagiarism. Thank you.